to be making a Flying Scotsman today. I'm going to be using some Rennie tool cutters again. There's like some little routing bits that should be good. 32mm flute, that'll be pretty awesome. And then I'm going to be making it from this piece of oak here. I've never machined oak, I've not even machined that much wood. Done some bits and bobs, but I'm going to learn today how easy it's going to go. There's a few knots in it, hopefully they don't cause me any trouble. I've worked out my program on Fusion 360 and I'm pretty confident it should be good. We'll find out, and let's do it. It's for my nephew. It's his 6th birthday, 7th, 6th, maybe 5th. I reckon it's his 6th. And he loves the Flying Scotsman. He gets all excited about it every time he even hears the name. So I just thought, what a better way to celebrate his birthday than to give him. Basically, it will be an ornament. It can go up on the wall on the side, and it'll be half the side of a Flying Scotsman. If you're not from the UK, or even some people in the UK might not know what the Flying Scotsman is, but it's one of the most famous steam engines in the world, let's say. And it's been all around the world, and it's famous for being really fast, and I could give you a lot of information on it, but that's only if you're into trains. But basically it's an amazing locomotive, and yeah, I kind of like it too. So I'm going to make one for him, and if I really love it, maybe I'll make myself one sometime. But enjoy. I'm going to go on a time lapse. Well, I'm not going to go on a time lapse, but the machine, when it's going, I'm going to record it on a time lapse, and we'll see how we get on, and we'll see how well it comes out. See you soon. So I'm not going to just finish with making the things out of wood. I want to make a brass plaque that goes at the end of this wonderful thing. I call it wonderful mainly because it's special. It's for my nephew. If not, I probably wouldn't be super happy with some of the finishes because the oak are broken off. I know that if I made this out of alloy, I could make it absolutely perfect, and just it'd take a bit longer to make, but I could really do a good job of it. But for what I've done here, I think he's going to love it. To be honest, I love it. It kind of looks great. We have just, you can see all the grain going around the boiler here and on the tender. Some of the writing shows up. You can see where I've messed up the wheel. When it tried to cut the spokes, the grain was just breaking down and chipping away. So I decided, right, I'm going to stop it there, continue with the other bits, and then hopefully he'll be happy with this. He's 7 years old. I wasn't sure at the beginning of this video, but I checked with my mum. I messaged her, I said, how old's William? So it turns out he's 7. I thought maybe it was 6, but I seem to remember he was 6 and he's going to be 7. Oh, don't want to drop it. Some cool stuff's happened. I spoke to Eddie Kramer over Instagram. If any of you already follow me on Instagram, you'll see some of the progress I've done with this already. But during, when I was doing the programming of this, I was messaging Eddie and or Ed Kramer. I think he prefers his name to be Ed Kramer, not Eddie. I don't know which one he prefers. But anyway, he sent me his logo and a fridge magnet actually. So I can throw that on the fridge, or I can throw it on my toolbox. So I might pop that on my toolbox. We call it a round sticker as well. I'll find somewhere else for that, but this is going to go up on my wall here. I've decided that this is going to be my wall for the stickers from people if I ever get any more from any others. And we'll just pop this one up now. Pretty cool. I'll shut this door as we're doing it. Stick that about there. And then the one of the ones where I first heard Ed is the DFX podcast, which is a digital fabrication experiment. And they talk about all things CNC, as Winston would say. But Winston Moy is on there with Eddie, and they do a great podcast talking about all the kind of stuff that I'm into, really, and stuff that I'd love to be into. They've got various machines, but I'm happy with that. I've ordered a t-shirt from the Grimsmo Knives, and I ordered a sticker as well, so I'm going to get that up here and put it on. Anyway, so I'm going to make my plaque from this bit of brass. Pretty good, right? Shiny. Oh yeah, I'm happy to do it.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on, it's recording. William, I've got a present for you.
Oh, what's that?
No, whoa. You gotta sit down, There's your card. So if you have a look at that. There's open your card. I thought I'd get a card that looks just like you. It does. I thought it just looked just like you.
It does not look like me.
It looks just like you.
Wild. Too weird.
It's wide angle. No? No, it's all in there.
When you went down.
Okay. That says, "Have a happy birthday. Love, Tristram and Magda." There's a little kiss at the end.
Oh yeah.
Let's tilt you up. Right. So inside here is something very special that I spent a long time making, okay?
Okay.
So you're going to look after it very carefully. Just take the top off.
Scissors.
Yep, so you got the edges. I don't know if you know what it is.
Flying Scotsman.
Yeah?
Oh,
It's a Flying Scotsman.
wow.
You can get it out.
Wow. Wow.
Should we get it out?
Isn't that One.
It's
Oh.
made out of oak, which is a...
Heirloom. Yes. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Don't drop it.
William.
Don't drop it.
How special is that?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Wow.
How
Yes,
did you
it
do the wheels and the
Just lots and lots and lots and lots of
all
hours.
this stuff in here?
It will be on a video. I'll be able to show you a video
Okay.
and you can watch it. But on here it says something. It says, what does it say?
4472.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, William Little.
And it also says Flying Scotsman as well.
Yeah, I read it.
I don't think Edward can pull all of that though. Edward and James.